Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see workbook fill up for standard 6th, semester 2nd, chapter number 1st. Mama Angani means parts of my body. Dear students, let us see all the exercise one by one. The very first exercise, for each of the given questions, choose the correct option and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the bracket provided. First, which part of the head is indicated here? So the answer is C. Keshaha. Second, which part of the head is indicated here? So the answer is B. Osthaha. Third, which part of the head is indicated here? So the answer is B. Karnaha. Fourth number, which part of the head is indicated here? So the answer is B. Netram. Fifth, what is indicated here between the two lips? So the answer is C. Dantaha. Sixth, which part of the body is indicated in this picture? So the answer is D. Griva. MCQ number 7, which part of the trunk is indicated here? So the answer is B. Vakshaha. 8 number MCQ, which part of the trunk is indicated here? So the answer is D. Udaram. And 9 number, what is indicated in the left hand here? So the answer is D. Kartalam. D. Kartalam. MCQ number 10 is like this. What is indicated in the picture of legs given here? So the answer is A. Padaha. A. Padaha. 11 number, what is indicated in the picture of legs given here? So the answer is D. Charanaha. Now, here MCQ number 12. Which part is the part of hand from the following? So the answer is A. Kartalam. Second, which part is the part of head from the following? So the answer is B. Netre. 14, Mastakasya adha blank asti. So the answer is C. Keshaha. 15, Mukhe eka blank vartate. Answer is C. Jihva. And 16, Karabhyam aham karyam. Answer is D. Karomi. Now, exercise number 2nd. Put right against the true statement and wrong against the false statement. First, Lalatam is a part of a leg. So the answer is wrong. Second, Vakshaha is a part of the head. So the answer is wrong. Third, Udaram is a part of the trunk of the body. So the answer is right. Fourth, Nasika is a part of the trunk. So the answer is wrong. Fifth, Dantaha are useful while having food. So the answer is right. Sixth, the parts of the trunk are used for writing. So the answer is wrong. 7 number, the parts of the trunk are used while playing. So the answer is right. Exercise number 3. Find out the true meaning of the Sanskrit words given below from the options given against them and write. First, Keshaha means Hair, hair. Second, Udaram means Stomach, stomach. Third, Griva means Neck. Fourth, Hastaha means hand. Fifth, Charanaha means legs, legs. Sixth, Lalatam means FORHEAD, forehead. 7. Nasika means NOSE, nose. Now, exercise number 4. Write the answers of the following questions in Sanskrit. First, write the names of the parts of head. So, hair, forehead, eyes, ears, nose, lips, mouth, teeth and tongue. Second, write the names of the part of trunk. So the answer is stomach and chest. Third, write the names of the parts of hands and legs. So the answer is palm and foot, leg and arm. Exercise number 5. Different parts of the body given here, analyze them in 3 sections given below and pronounce them correctly together. First, parts of head, parts of body and parts of hands and legs. So, parts of head. Ostah, Danta, Netram, Mukham, Nasika, Jihva. Parts of body in that Udaram, Vakshah, Griva. Parts of hands and legs in that Kartalam, Hastah. Now here our workbook fill up for this chapter is over. You may copy down all the exercise in your workbook. Thank you.